In this lecture, we'll try to understand about alter table statement. Alter means we need to make some changes in the table. So there can be multiple change in the Oracle table. So we'll try to understand one by one. Let's say you want to add a new column in the table. So how can you make? So basically the syntax is alter table, table name, add column and column definition. Okay. So this is the syntax. So what you can see here, if I just open the SQL developer, this is a SQL developer tool. What I'm doing, I'm just doing DSC. If I fire this command, I'll come to know about what are all columns are there in this table. So I can see there are around 6 columns are there, ID, name. Now what I want to add one more column. Let's say I want to collect the salary of the employee also. So what I will do, I'll just fire the command like alter table name. Table name is emp, add column name is salary, and salary is of type number. That's it. Let's try to run this command. When I'm running it, I can see the table emp altered, and if I'm trying to check how many columns are there in this table, now I will be able to see the new column. Now I can see that the new column has been added with the type number. It means number type of data is going to be stored into this column. So we can use alter statement to add a new column. Let's say you want to rename the column. You can rename the column also. Alter table name, modify column name and column type. Let's say you want to rename the column. So I have added a column with the name salary. Now let's say that I want to change the salary column name with sal. Okay, so I'll just give some shortcut name. So the command will be alter table name, modify, alter table name, modify column name. Column name will be, let's see the syntax, alter table name, modify column name and column type. Modify column name and column type. So I am just changing the salary and column type. Let's say I will change it to varchar 220. So I'm just doing that. So what I'm doing, I'm just changing the data type of my column. Table emp altered. Let me check the DSC emp. I'm checking what is the table data type now. I'm sorry, salary data type. I can see it has been changed to the varchar 2. So this is how you can change the column type also. If you want to drop the column, how to drop? Let's say we added a new column with the salary. Now I don't want that column. How to drop that? Alter table name, drop column name. So syntax is like this. Let's try to do that. Alter table name, drop column name. Column name is salary. I am dropping this column. I got some error message. Cannot drop column from table owned by sys. The problem is, this table which I created, that I have created under the sys user. Because of that only I am not able to drop the column. But yes, if this table has been created under any other user, then you can use the same syntax and you can drop the column. Alright. Now, if you want to rename a column, alter table name, rename column. Let's say I want to rename the column. I want to rename the salary column with sal. Alter table name, rename column. Let me check the syntax. Old column to new column, sal. Salary is the old column to sal. I'm just renaming it like this. I'm selecting this statement. Table emp altered. Now, if I check DESC emp, I'll be able to see. I'm sorry. Let me try this DSC emp. I can see the salary column has been renamed to the cell. Now, so if you want to rename the table itself, previous example was renaming the column. Now if I want to rename the table itself, so the syntax is alter table table name rename to. Okay, let's do that. Alter table table name rename to employee EMPLOYEE. I'm just giving the full name. Table EMP altered. Now if I try to do select star from my old table name, what will happen? Let's try to see. I'm getting a message called table or view does not exist because I rename my EMP table to employee. So I can just select the data from the new table name now. See, let me rename it to my old table name. Alter table. My new table name is now this one. Alter table name to alter table rename to, because I want my old name only. So that's why I'm renaming it back to the original EMP. Done. Now if I do select star from EMP, I'll be able to see the column like previously we were doing it. So this is how alter statement work, and this is really helpful whenever you want to change something in the table definition. Maybe you want to add a column, new column, you want to drop the column, modify column, you want to rename the table. That's how it's happening. Thank you.